Greetings, family. Empress D in nature. Enjoying. A little bit overcast now, but it was sunny. Doesn't matter. It's wonderful out here. I'm in another space that I frequent as well. So I hope everybody's good and actually getting out in nature and actually giving it as an experiment for yourself and just to see what's up and see what happens. Anyway, today I wanted to talk about humanity. Humanity, the change in humanity over the last 4 years is astronomical. One noted change is the lack of humanity. People don't have compassion anymore. And it's almost universal. It's so weird. It's the compassion in humanity is gone. And it's very unfortunate because our ability to feel and compassion is our superpower. That's what sets us apart from machine, at least. Right? The machine does not have that ability to feel like us. But it's learning, it's trying. Oh man, family. Or we're morphing more into machine. Because that's what I've noticed over the last couple of years, the last few years. People are less caring, heartless. And it's just pockets of it you see of compassion. But people are ruthless nowadays, family. And I think that's migrating in the opposite direction of where we should be going. We should be going towards love and unity and recognizing that we are one. And what I do affects you and what you do affects me. We need to be going that way, not towards treating each other with no compassion. It's very rampant on the planet, but I guess that's the cumulative or global vibration, very, very low. Oh well. So listen, I'm not suicidal. I'm not at all. But I often say to myself, I can't take it here anymore. I don't want to be here. Like being on planet Earth right now is so hard because all surrounding you is so oh man, it's just more examples after examples. It's just you're drowning in negativity and lower vibrations. It's tough, man. It's tough. So for people that are on this journey and are vibrating at a higher frequency, it's hard to exist in this. And so I often say, get me out of here, beam me up, Scotty. I cannot deal anymore. I cannot. And it's not that I don't love life, and I love life, and I'm happy most of the time, and I make the best of it, but this place, it's not nice. It's not nice. So compassion. Let's start with that. Let's start thinking about, oh man, when we treat somebody one way, think about how, okay, if I do you dirty, what if that was me? What if it was reversed? Then they could do me dirty. People don't think about what you give out is what you receive back. People don't recognize that there's Akashic records is a record of every minute second and minute on this planet. You can't erase it. And in fact, that record is connected to our thoughts, because it's all connected. And I get it. I think I'm getting a little too esoteric, but family, it goes deep. What we affect each other. So treat the other how you would want to be treated. And imagine every time you treat somebody, the people. Let me rephrase it this way. How you treat people is what you're going to get back. So if you're frequently ripping people off, taking advantage of people, lying, stealing, cheating to get ahead, you may see the fruits of it in terms of your monetary gains, but what you give out is what you get back, and you will most certainly get back, because it's actually related to several of the universal laws, family. I digress. I think I'm going, oh my gosh, long. It's not that long, but I feel like I'm going to wrap it up now, family. So I just wanted to share that I noticed that there's a real lack of compassion on this planet, and each one of us acting with compassion will change the whole world, right? If we all decided to act with compassion, the vibration of the planet would be so much more more wonderful. But I do think that a lot of us that are on this journey and are feeling this way are probably feeling the same way, I am, and it's hard, and I don't know. I think that something big is happening, family, and I think that if we're not vibrating at a high frequency, I think that we need to, because I really think that, and I know this is esoteric and may sound strange though, but I think that with what's happening on the planet, I don't know, we have to be really, everything is trying to scream at us to look within, look within, look within. This is all madness around us. It's so, I don't know, maybe I'm gone too far. Family, if you know, you know. How about we put it that way? It's really, if we're paying attention, something's up. Okay, family? So, and it's focusing and forcing us to look within and evaluate how we're functioning and living on this planet. Okay? Thank you for taking the time to listen to this message. I love and I value each and every one of you, family. One love.